So first and foremost, helmet safety guide. To put it on, make sure the retention at the back is in its loosest setting. Simply put it on. Don't do up the straps. Put your head there. You can kind of like move it like almost upside down, and it shouldn't come off your head. So I don't know. This is normally working, but for some reason today it's not. So anyways, so do that. And then what you want, don't have your helmet like really back like that. And don't have it like all the way there either. What you want is like a finger or two above your eyebrows. So you can kind of like, the helmet's just kind of outside your field of vision. So that's your starting point. Because basically, if it's here and you hit the concrete here, it's like not going to protect your forehead there. But if it's like actually here, it will actually protect your forehead, which is what we want. And then for the straps on the ears, see how they're kind of like joining where the bottom of my earlobe is? That's kind of another benefit of like how you got to get the straps to fit. So then with that, we put both the straps on. Now this doesn't have to be like super tight. You want to be able to put your 3 fingers underneath like so to fit it. And then you start the dial retention system, which is like micro adjustments, and you can go both ways, which I really like about this helmet. So if I was to kind of explain the fit, the 95 or 90% of the helmet should fit kind of before you put the straps on and do the adjustments at the back. It should fit your head, and you should be very observant and self-aware of if there are any like pinch points, like the helmet's contacting your head and it hurts, because that will obviously be exacerbated by the fact of a longer ride. So it needs to feel comfortable from the get-go. So that's kind of how, like, my initial kind of perspective and kind of how to fit it appropriately. Put it on your head, go down, and if it stays on, it's good. Do up the retention, do up the straps. You know, make sure it's not too down, not too up, just in the middle, 2 above your brow line, 1 or 2 above your brow line, and then you're all set. And if you'd also like to leverage your 9 to 5 in the best way possible through the use of a bike to become your fittest, fastest, leanest self, then get a copy of Life Cycles in description below, where I take you through everything you need to leverage a bike to save time, money, and become efficient, so you can start crushing your goals and conquering mountains today. So conquer mountains, conquer life. Thank you.